Whether you're installing an exhaust gas temperature probe, a pressure transducer, or another threaded sensor, we're often asked how to properly drill and tap a hole for an 1/8" NPT fitting. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps and best practices to achieve a reliable fit every time. NPT stands for National Pipe Tapered Threads, a thread design that forms a reliable leak-proof seal. Because the threads are tapered, the further you thread in the fitting, the tighter the seal becomes. For an 1/8" NPT threaded fitting, the correct drill size is Q, or 0.332 inches in diameter. It's important to use the correct bit. Too small and the tap could break while cutting the threads. Too big and the threads may not hold pressure. Before drilling, mark your location and ensure the surface is flat, clean, and easily accessible. If you're working on a curved surface, such as an exhaust manifold or intake pipe, try to drill as perpendicular to the surface as possible so the sensor seats evenly. Use a center punch to make a small indentation at your mark. This helps keep the drill bit from wandering and ensures your hole starts exactly where you want it. Use steady pressure and let the bit do the work. Avoid forcing it through. Begin by creating a pilot hole about 1/4 inch in diameter. Apply cutting oil or a similar lubricant to reduce friction and prevent overheating while drilling. After drilling the pilot hole, switch to the Q-size drill bit to finish the hole to its final diameter. Once the hole is drilled, it's time to tap the threads. Use an 1/8" NPT tapered tap, not a straight thread tap. Add a few drops of cutting fluid to the hole, then thread the tap in slowly using a tap wrench. Turn it clockwise gradually, and after every half turn forward, back it off slightly. These reverse turns help move the metal chips away from the cutting edges and into the flutes of the tap, preventing buildup and keeping the threads clean and sharp. Continue threading until about 2/3 of the tap's tapered section has entered the hole. Avoid cutting too deep. If the tap goes in too far, the threads may be oversized and the compression fitting might not form a proper seal once installed. After tapping, carefully remove the tap, clean out all metal chips, and wipe down the threads. Test fit your sensor's compression fitting to ensure it threads in smoothly. And that's it after an 1/8" NPT hole. With proper care and technique, you'll achieve a reliable seal that stands up to pressure, heat, and vibration in demanding applications.
To learn more and shop our whole range
of professional EGT probes, visit us now at thesensorconnection.com.
of professional EGT probes, visit us now at thesensorconnection.com.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For more tips, installation guides, and product information, visit thesensorconnection.com.